Lakhain Korapho Nilip MEC constituency ke parlo. Jokiala open stage along team Nilip atumen pherangke amei ke phapon. Dia dahempu Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi non kebangji jang mipo cheklo. Nifain korana ke barni. Loring tipi Karbi Anglong along kebangji polong team Nilip atum penta Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi apan welcome ponlo. Lapen alang likewang ke momo da porki modo po lapen Karbi atum ta. Ako pailo lapen alang likewang along party cepu pe pin pen dun perlonang. Lapen arja dingklo pen Karbi atum akemang article 2448 kepacun Japan. Asong tin atum ta Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi apan pin pura lo pajur dun replonang. Lapen Delhi lawan kedam jokla da ko non metanga dim Karbi Anglong an kewang along ning sipet pen Karbi ara kemang alam te pin pura lo pajur dun si kemi pusi. Tin Nilip atum Karbi Anglong song don apan pachini pon.
Ni tum tim Nilip hoi pen tum Nilip ape India Prime Minister ke bang ili tum kado kita masalah ke bang ada lo 248 itu ili tum Karbi Anglong arat arjidin hoi pen ake hang alam musitame Prime Minister ke bang aku tu somsi ili tum program a party tu sitame memorandum ke pidun kado ko dia pasti kacetong pen memorandum kado ke pidun dia pasti kado kita masalah sini ape ili tu nange piye tu ngapa cetong tu deh nange piye tu ngapa dong si kakek tu dong pa intong dong perlu deh ili tu macam mana pakai sunce deh di lasi kado kita mata pe cetong orang ko visi Prime Minister ni ye kangi lapen ili tu ngap akan yang long arjuding fluid pen akemang laban so pusat ta alang le pide akema thatu tahai lasi ke ong tu ngarap ili tu ni disenta je to ong si ni pusi itu mai pet tu ni
Apen labang somai along yong si article 244 yong si ningdi pon pedat poten nang to mahin pen pilo puis
laban so bang ke kecengwa yang mong berse aku step deng tu na kok deng tu po lake nili tungken no make ahok pen bang nili tungken BJP si klaim bom lang BJP yang member setame ini cuma ke mana bang ke jong si jungse de ini cuma ani hang alam jong si nije jede tu de la kan ini tu Karbi Anglong ara ta sarko pan mathape lake step deng ko si ke meji tu si itu mathap
I take this privilege to thank all the media partners attending this press meet called by team Nilip leaders. So very thankful to you all. So the purpose of organizing and conducting this press meet is, as already our friends have already told you and already explained about the press meet that we have called today. So first of all, I would like to tell the people of Nilip, and I would like to inform all the people of Nilip that Nilip was underdeveloped since for many years, since from 30 to 40 years, and the main purpose of organizing and the main purpose of coming in a small gathering today is like our dynamic leader of Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi will be visiting to Loring TP at Karbi Anglong on 20th of this month. So we as leaders from different backgrounds of political parties of Nilip, we come together in this one platform and to request the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, to understand and to fulfill our long-standing demand, that is Article 248. So we have seen many leaders who have visited Karbi Anglong, but still till today our demand of Article 2448, that is the demands of Karbi Anglong and the demands of the peoples of the Mahasau, are not yet fulfilled. And even the last visit of Sri Amit Shah ji, we, the people of Karbi Anglong and the people of Dima Hassan have a very big hope to implement and to fulfill the scarcity of the people of Karbin Long and Dima Hassan. That is Article 244A, but no one has till today, no one has even uttered a word, given assurance to implement this article. So, this is the first visit of our National Prime Minister to Karbin Long and to Assam. So, we as a leaders and as a people and as a individuals of Karbin Long and Dima Hassan would like to request the Prime Minister to understand and to fulfill our demands, because from this article, by the demand of this article, many of our Karbi leaders, many of our innocent peoples of Karbi and the Dimasas and the people living in Karbin Long have sacrificed their lives. Many have lost their lives. Many have been even jailed, and many have been even being shed the blood. So we request all the leaders to understand our problems and to solve our problems as soon as possible. And if our demands are not fulfilled, and by the visit of our Prime Minister to Loringkepi and to Karbin Long, if Article 244A is not given assurance to the people who attend on that particular day, then we will be bound to take strict action and stern action against the government, and we will discuss, and we will let you know what we will be doing in the coming future if Article 244 is not given assurance by the Prime Minister. So this is an appeal and this is a request from our team Nilip. That's it.
We have initiated a press conference program here at Kerala in New Stadium Open Space. And first of all, on behalf of all the team members, I would like to extend my thanks for attending and coming here. So our purpose of holding this press conference will be welcoming our famous Prime Minister of India, who is going to attend on 28th of this month at Loringkepi, Karbin Long. So for this purpose, we have been organized this program. As you all know that we will be very thankful enough for ourselves, and because this will be the historic day in our life that we will witness our Honorable Prime Minister on that very occasion. So in this special moment, I would like to request the people of Nilip and Karbin Long and Dima Hassan as a whole that we will and we must participate in this program with a huge gathering, so that the government of India and our Honorable Prime Minister will know about our issues. That is, we have been struggling and we have been demanding for autonomous state movement, autonomous state issue for the last 30 to 40 years. And also we have some insurgency issues here. So we have been backward from so many years in comparison to other districts of Assam and other districts of India. So I would also like to request, and I would also like to appeal on behalf of this team to our Chief Executive Member of Karbin Autonomous Council, Mr. Nilip, that we hope that he will mention about the implementation of Article 244A of Indian Constitution, that is the creation of autonomous state, in his memorandum to the Prime Minister, in his demand to the Prime Minister, so that in that day our Prime Minister will
Toprang si media dan kawan so electronic media juga kan ini itu tak Nilip tim ben apapun masa itu saja ya itu tim Nilip ben sini dikeke bangsa media presiden apa kalam kita nalam dia mereka itu parti itu tanpa sini loh saya opet ini itu tim Nilip ngomong ke itu parti lam kita dua ya parti itu jadi kami SC party ada dalam Nilip kontinensi kita sebagai kita member soalnya kita long iklan itu kami dulu kan BJP lah kan Kongres lah kan tapi tahun tahun kita lah songja tim itu bang proksi bang naket isi tim itu tim Nilip bangke opet untuk Nilip hawarakan keke Nilip parti itu berdim asumsi itu akan kibang inangani kapangan terjemah Misalnya leadership pen tung kami kelam bani mal, ning sipat pen kami kelam bani mal, kalau kami tidak tim tu, asipin rasa tim pen sipin itu presiden palo, jadi non kebangji, nipai, ingkau nak kebani, ing tipi long, tungkat yang long, India Prime Minister Narendra Modi kebangji, so dah council pen, kalau bengon tu mas council pen, tapi tipon, so program, mana program long, jadi bangsa program long itu dah Nilip terkali, kalau long kang, kan long kapek bersama lah so program long bang itu, pasti tong lu nanti di kampanye itu amei kali, kali itu pasti tong lu nang, tapi itu lah bang so amei, itu Narendra Modi ke bang ho, nitung bentar kecil nitung bang, apa ning kecil dulu, akhirnya karbiang long bangke, pini kecil long bangke, ningkan kiap lo, ahok lo central leader tu itu karbiang long ke humri, nah itu dah cini, ada tu kan nan nikan tami elket tu ni ke banglo kabeng long lapen 2014 nikan Juna close tami Ranat Singh ke banglo lapen kita tang 2021 nikan September close tami kabeng long tena long non minister sami banglo lapen tu thalang Kongres parti pan tami top lo ba Prime Minister ki manji bang Rahul Gandhi sami ka beng long wan la ka beng long puthak ka beng long ra ka iya kang chira bang ke na tu chini lo na tu na homu la pe ka beng long mas tami apong tu ke mang article 244A tu bang sa autonomous state itu ke ha me mon nam apong pi lo aposti upai ke milo nang du bang ke India Prime Minister